Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take care of some rats and mice in my filming studio, and to do that, we're going to use these antique rat traps from France. I have a newer one and an older one. This older one has quite a bit of use, and someone put nails down here to help keep the animals from pulling out. They work similar to a snap-style rat trap you see today. They have a big kill bar with a powerful spring, but the trigger system's completely different. I really like it. It's a block of wood and a mechanism back here. The way you set it is you pull back the kill bar, it latches in down on the bottom with the wire, and then this sets on the staple right there. This is a pretty sensitive trigger system, even mice will get it. They want to get the bait on the front, step on that, comes down, and that will be an instant kill, both for rats and mice. Now I'm going to have to be really selective in what I show on YouTube, so what I'm going to do is set this up in the barn with motion cameras. We're going to get the animals, and I'm going to be really selective in how I edit this video. And the link in the description below will take you to my website where you can see the full sequence of this trap in action, and that way we don't have to worry about any kind of censorship issues. So let's go set these up in the barn with motion cameras and see how they work. Last night I was able to get this big old rat in our filming studio. To release him, you pull back the kill bar, give him a flip. I love testing out old vintage traps, and this is a great design. It has a very powerful spring, it's easy to set, and it has a very sensitive trigger system. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.